Welcome to AmD Tuning, West Thurrock, Essex. I'm going to explain how we do our AmD remaps to give more power and better economy on your road going car. Most modern cars have a diagnostic port so you can fault find the car when it's static. We also take the car for a road test and make sure boost, fueling, timing, everything to do with the car is running per factory spec. There's no point us remapping over the top of any problems the car may have. At AmD Tuning we use the most modern diagnostic tools you can get. So first of all we check to see if the car's got any fault codes. This particular car has got no fault codes, which is a good sign. What we then do is double check the car on the road to make sure it's performing as it should do. So here we're checking boost level, timing and airflow meter reading. On this particular car it seems fine, so it's fine to now go onto the rolling road. Once we've completed the road tests, we run the car on the rolling road to check the standard horsepower and torque figure. We make a visual check of the engine bay, making sure everything's in good condition. Checking the oil level, water hoses, so the car's in a fit condition to run on the rolling road. So this car's meant to get 200 horsepower as standard. As you can see here, bang on the money. So a very healthy car. We've checked it on the road, we've checked it on the rolling road. Now it's ready to get down to the serious business of remapping. Once again we're going to use the standard diagnostic port to read into the car, which will allow us to save the original car's ECU remap. Then we can write the AmD remap, which is specific for your car. Once we've read the original file out of the car and saved it, we can then start working on that file to build the performance tuning AmD remap for you.
Great.
Once we've written the AmD remap and it's ready to go back in the car, we can check it again on the rolling road and make sure it's up to specification. If it isn't, we can double check it again. Every car is different and we usually have to have 2 or 3 goes to get the perfect file for you and your car. So that's the AmD remapping process complete. We'll do one final road test just to make sure the car's 100%, but this car will gain about 60 horsepower on the road and much better fuel mileage. So that's how an AmD remap is completed. The whole process takes about 2 to 3 hours. This car's gone away with 60 more horsepower. Very, very impressive. Hi, we finished the remap on your car. Here's your rolling road graph, so it shows you the before and after horsepower and torque gains. Okay. As you'll see there, it pulls very, very cleanly throughout the range. Good horsepower, about 30-40 horsepower in mid-range here, which is very, very strong, and about 50-60 pound-foot of torque. I think you'll be very pleased.
Cool, thank you.